All right, we just looked at a very simple circuit with some images that we're used to looking at, okay? The first thing I want to do is take away this battery, because when we look at wiring diagrams for vehicles, very rarely do they put a picture of a battery like this. Okay. So we're going to convert to the wiring diagram battery symbol. So this is what a battery looks like on a wiring diagram. The short side is negative, the long side is positive. Okay? And it's a series of long and short lines representing cells in a battery. The other thing that we're going to change for this drawing is, instead of running a ground side wire all the way back to the battery, we're going to provide a frame ground. Okay? And what that means is the negative side of my battery I'm going to connect to the metal body or frame of my car, and this is the symbol for ground. Okay? Metal's a conductor. So if I connect the battery negative to the body or frame of the car, all the metal on the car becomes battery negative or ground path. Okay? So I've connected my battery negative to ground, and this allows me to make one-wire circuits. I'm going to keep my battery positive conductor all the way over to my load, a light bulb. I'm going to keep the light bulb I have here. The symbol for a light bulb looks pretty close to this most of the time. Okay? There are single and dual filament bulbs. This is a single filament bulb, and we're going to keep it simple. So our load is still our load. Our battery positive side is still our battery positive side. Our batteries change shape a little bit, but we know what a battery looks like, and we know what this symbol means. Okay? The other thing that's changed is we're doing a one-wire circuit, and that means we've got one battery positive wire going to our bulb, and we have to run a second wire, okay? But it doesn't have to be very long. We're going to connect this wire right to ground. All this means is that we've attached this wire to the metal frame or engine somewhere, and even though there's not a wire that runs from here to here, the frame is metal and acts as a conductor, so there is a connection from this symbol, the symbol for ground, to the battery negative side of the cable. Okay? So this is the idea behind a one-wire or frame ground circuit. This is a battery, okay? This is the battery positive side of the circuit, and this is the ground side of the circuit.